Good morning, class 4. Welcome to your second revision slide or second revision video. That is, we will be continuing with the do and does and did. We'll revise and then I will do with you the page from the book. Okay? So let us see the examples once more. The same examples so that you can get this in your head clearly. That is, she gets up early in morning. Does she get up early in mornings? Done. Only the S is dropped and we add ES to do. Okay. Coffee grows in Brazil. Does coffee grow in Brazil? S is dropped here and we add ES. That is, we do it with does. And why did we use does with coffee? Because coffee is neither he nor she. So it is it. That is why we use does. Okay. We drank milk. Did we drink milk? Did and drink. So drink is the present tense and drank is the past tense. So when we change into interrogative, we put the present form of the verb. He cleaned his room. So when we use did and change to interrogative, cleaned will be clean. Okay. So we have done chapter 6 WH family revision. Chapter 4 statement and questions, part of which is do, does and did. We will see the exercise today and finish the revision today of do, does and did. I think, children, you all are going through your lessons well, because I will give you a test very soon. Okay? And after we finish this exercise, which is in page number 11, before that we'll revise what I gave you in the CW copy. So let us read once more. Usage of do, that is, do I, do you, do they, do we, plural. Does he, does she, does it, and singular. Did I, did you, did they, did we, did he, did she, did it, singular and plural. So this is the past form, simple past form. This is the present form, simple present form, where I, you, they, we are used with do. He, she, it and singular number is used with does. Okay. Examples. Do you play football? Yes, I do. Does he learn music? Yes, he learn. Yes, he does. Did you see the moon? Yes, I did. Okay. You can put any examples you feel like. Any examples you feel like. Here are two rules. That is, while we use does, when we use does, the S drops from the main verb. While we use does in an interrogative sentence, the main verb leaves S from the word. Correct? Example, she tries to be attentive in class. We use with does. Does she try? See the change in the word. Change in the word or change in the main verb. S is there. The S is dropped when you are writing in an interrogative form. Does she try to be attentive in class? Okay. Next, while using did in an interrogative sentence, the main verb is used in present tense. Okay. That is, Sam went to the zoo. So went is the verb and it is went is the verb and it is in past tense, simple past tense. Now when we change to the interrogative sentence, we change the tense into present and then write the verb. So how does it form? Did Sam go to the zoo? So it will be, did Sam go to the zoo? Okay. Went becomes go when we use did in the sentence of and make it interrogative. Okay. Now we move on to the next slide, which is your page number 11. I have done this and I have discussed also, I know that, but I never give you the answers properly, which is written here. Okay, so once more I will revise this and the answers I have written here. So let's see. The doctor examined the patient. We used with did. We have to do with did. So rewrite the statements as questions. So you have to make interrogative sentence using do, does and did. Okay. So the doctor examined the patient. Did. Did the doctor examine the patient? She bought a new shirt. Did. Did she buy a new shirt? Bought will become buy. Number 3. Anu plants trees in the garden. See, plants. So it is a present tense and plants is the verb. And we have to change it to interrogative with does. So it will be, does Anu plant? The S drops here. Trees in the garden. Number 4, you know French. Do you know French? This when we make sentences with do, it's little easy than does and did. Okay, where there is no change. Do, it's the simplest of the form where you don't need to change anything. Do you know French? Question mark. Number 5, the deer runs fast. Does. Runs is there. So it will be, does the deer run fast? This pen writes well. Again with does. Does this pen write well? See the drop of S here. Number 7, the parrot flew out of the cage. Did the parrot fly? Flew is the past form. Fly is the present form. We all know. So did, when you use, it will be, did the parrot fly out of the cage? Number 8, they finished their homework a few hours ago. Did they finish their homework a few hours ago? Finish, see, finished. Past tense, it will become present. The ed is dropped. Next, number 9, she tries to speak English in class. Does she try to speak English in class? This is the example which I have given in your CW also. Next, number 10, they obey their teacher. Did they obeyed their teacher? Did they obey their teacher? You go to the park every morning. Do you go to the park every morning? Do you go to the park every morning? So children, do is very easy. You just have to put do and then write the answer. Number 12, they helped the wounded soldier. So did they help? You have to omit ed. So whenever did is coming in an interrogative sentence, you have to put the verb into present form. Please remember this. Number 12, did they help the wounded soldiers? Number 13, they read bedtime stories. Do they read bedtime stories? She gives him a water to drink. Again, see, does. Does she give him water to drink? The S drops in the verb. The cat pounced on the mouse. Again with did. So it will be, did the cat pounce, not pounced, on the mouse. Present form of the verb. Okay. So these are the answers. If you find any difficulty, please write down and I will try to solve it. Now somebody asked me that what is negative and positive sentence, that we will revise the next chapter, that is questions and answers, and then we will move to positive and negative sentences. That is a fresh chapter. We have not done anything. We'll do it and then we'll revise that a bit later on. Okay. So thank you for today. Any problem, please revert back to me on the comment section.